Ready to sing, dance, and learn your ABCs? Let's go!
A is for apple, so juicy and sweet. B is B is for ball, let's bounce to the beat. C is play, C is for cat, with fur soft and neat. D is for dog, with paws and happy feet. Sing with me, it's easy and fun. A to L, we've just begun. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning letters can't be beat. E is for elephant, so big and strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for goat, on the hill so tall. H is for hat, wear it at the ball. Sing with me, it's easy and fun. A to L, we've just begun. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning letters can't be beat. I is for igloo, made of snow. J is for jump, let's hop to and fro. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, roaring loud and